has the best sense of smell?
Arf, arf. Arf, arf. Arf, arf, arf.
Take.
Hey, what's the big idea? Birds don't make growling sounds like that, Koyo Koyo.
My bird does.
Okay, kids, it's late. Let's wash up and get ready for bed.
Oh, but we're not sleepy yet.
Oh, you need to sleep now so that you can play tomorrow. Come on, now get your toothbrushes and towels.
But we want to play more.
KEMY, did you wash up already?
Not yet.
Well, then get up, little fella. Let's wash up together.
Not tonight. I'll wash up tomorrow.
Here. Come on, now get up. You were running around all day sweating. If you don't wash, mosquitoes will bite.
They will bite.
Oh, dear. Little guy, he's fast asleep.
Oh, once KEMY falls asleep, there's no waking him up, Grandpa.
Just call him Mr. Sleepyhead.
You can say that again.
You won't wake him up.
Maybe this will wake him up.
Finished washing my face.
Oh my back. Are you okay, children?
Yes.
I'm okay. But Grandpa, I think I just need to wipe off with a towel now.
You still have to brush your teeth, though. Let's see now. I'm sure KEMY must be awake. Huh? Oh, dear. That's it. I give up. KEMY just won't wake up. Come on, let's go wash up on our own.
Okay.
Stop laughing!
Sorry, KEMY. But it's just too funny.
Just look at your face, KEMY.
Why was I the only one bitten by mosquitoes?
That's because you didn't listen to me yesterday.
What?
I told you mosquitoes would bite you if you didn't wash up. The smell of your sweat attracted them to you.
Smell of my sweat? But I can't smell anything.
I can't smell anything either.
Yeah, me neither.
Mosquitoes can smell things that we can't smell. Oh, here it is. This will make it better.
Mosquitoes must have a great sense of smell.
They do.
Wow. How do they smell?
Well, they,
How well do mosquitoes smell, Grandpa?
Do mosquitoes have the greatest sense of smell on Earth?
Oh, no. Do you smell something burning? Is it the rice?
I wonder, is there anyone who can smell better than the mosquito?
Aren't mosquitoes the best?
They are.
No, there might be someone better. If there is, I wonder who. Oh, I'm so curious.
Curiosity triggered. Curiosity triggered.
Hello there, friends.
Hello, KEMY.
I see today you guys are curious about who has the greatest sense of smell.
Yeah, come. We're so curious.
Then, how about we go on a fun expedition to find the answer to that?
Okay, let's go. still think mosquitoes probably have the greatest sense of smell.
Yeah, me too.
Hey guys, in order to be sure, let's hurry and go find out.
Okay. Rover safety inspection complete.
Hey guys, we're going to go on an expedition to find who has the best sense of smell. But we're going to run into a few dangerous friends today, so we must be careful.
I got it. Now let's get going.
Hello, children.
Hello, Dum Dum.
Hi, Dum Dum. We want to go on an expedition now. So can you open the wormhole for us?
Sure, no problem.
Come on, let's go!
You can't stay here too long, KEMY. You must return before I close the gate.
Why?
Because if I close the gate, the wormhole closes too. Then you won't be able to go home.
Okay, I got it. Whoa, it's a big dog.
Dogs have a great sense of smell as well. They can smell 100,000 times better than us.
100,000 times? How much is that exactly?
Let's see. If we want to smell a flower, we have to put our nose right up against it. But a dog can smell it from a distance that takes about 15 minutes for us to walk.
Wowza! Amazing! So dogs have the best sense of smell?
No, there's someone who can smell even better than a dog.
Better than a dog? Oh, I can't even imagine. They're pigs! They have funny-looking noses.
Pigs may have funny-looking noses, but they're also excellent at smelling.
Wow, really?
Pigs can even smell mushrooms that are deep underground. When some farmers from a certain country want to find mushrooms, they take their pigs instead of their dogs.
Wow, that's so cool! KEMY!
I guess pigs have the greatest sense of smell.
And I thought mosquitoes did.
Mosquitoes can smell pretty well too, but what's more interesting is their unique way of smelling.
How do they smell?
Since we have some time left, why don't we go learn about mosquitoes?
Okay.
Yikes! Ew, mosquitoes!
Mosquitoes can smell things from very far away. From one end of a gym, they can smell things that are on the other side.
Wow, that's far. But how do mosquitoes smell?
They smell with their antennae instead of noses.
Antennae?
Yep.
That's awesome! I thought you could only smell with your nose.
There's another friend who smells with something other than their nose.
Really? Can we go meet him?
I don't see why not.
Yay! Ah! It's a snake!
There it is. The snake also smells in a very unique way.
How does a snake smell?
Snakes smell with their tongues.
Now that's cool. Like this?
Do you smell anything?
Nuh-uh. I can't smell a single thing.
KEMY, I think it's time to go back now.
Okie dokie. Later, Snake. Take care. Mosquitoes can smell really well, but the best sniffer today were the pigs.
Now, as a reward, here's another curiosity badge.
Today's expedition was awesome! Yeah! If you know a friend who's even more amazing than the pigs I got to meet today, then please let me know. Bye-bye!